up, world. Here it is, coming at you, Lotek style.
This is a Hohner MSE-1 MIDI sound module from the mid-1980s. Hohner is a German brand founded in 1857. They're best known for accordions, harmonicas and melodicas. During the 80s, Hohner sold several Japanese-made Casio synthesizers and MIDI sound modules under the Hohner brand. This unit is a rebadged Casio CSM-1 sound module, which itself was a keyboardless Casio CT-660. It's a 4-part multi-timbral sound module with 12-note polyphony, and it's not sensitive to MIDI velocity. It has 30 preset tones, 20 preset rhythms, and also some preset sound effects. They cost about £200 in the 1980s. That's about £665 in today's money. And although not exactly cheap, it was certainly more affordable than similar units by Roland or Yamaha. The cheapest of those was still priced between £800 and £1,500. The MSE-1 runs on a 9-volt DC power supply or batteries. Either one 9-volt battery or 6 AA's. The fact it runs on batteries makes these units suitable candidates for circuit bending projects. The back panel has MIDI in, out and through ports on standard MIDI DIN connectors. Also has 1/4-inch line outputs and a convenient tuning control to adjust the global pitch of the unit. This is particularly useful if you're using analog synth or samples that aren't strictly concert pitch. The top panel has all the presets printed on it and the individual MIDI notes for the sound effects. All the controls are accessed from the front panel. Like a lot of gear from this time period, there's no display or screen. Next to the power switch is a master volume control, and then separate volume controls for MIDI channels 2, 3 and 4, which is by default the rhythm channel. The sounds are selected using the 15 voice buttons and a select button to access the second bank of sounds. The first bank of sounds are marked in white, while the second bank in green. There's a small LED to indicate if the select button is enabled. Similarly, there are 10 buttons and a select button to choose from the 20 preset rhythms. There's also a start-stop, fill-in and intro-ending button. This is used to trigger the rhythms and all the variations. The rhythms can be synced to an external MIDI clock, such as in your DAW, or using the device's own internal clock. If internal is selected, then the speed can be adjusted using the tempo controls. Finally, there's a demo button. The quality of the sounds vary from the decent and usable, like the piano, to the more synthetic, such as the brass preset. For many people, the obviously synthetic sounds are part of the charm of sound modules and synthesizers from this era. If you want to hear all the sounds from this unit, there's a page dedicated to the Casio CSM-1 on Synth Mania. The link's in the description. So let's hear what this unit can do. The demo song is Nightbirds by British jazz funk band Shack Attack. The song was a top 10 hit in the UK 2 years before this unit was launched. The band achieved significant success in Japan and across Asia, which may explain how their song ended up as the factory demo on a Casio sound module. So let's see what it sounds like. Now let's listen to the available rhythms. If you like this video, then check out the channel. There's loads more just like this one, and many more to come. So be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching.
Lotek. Lotek style.